Thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring this video.
Here's something that photographers don't always think about: shapes. You probably focus on composition, lighting, and colors, but shapes are a tool you should keep at the ready.
Shapes evoke emotions. When I see two arches, for example, I get hungry for nuggies.
A circle can represent wholeness and unity because of its unbroken shape. It can also elicit serenity and calmness due to its smooth and symmetrical nature.
Unlike your unhinged Uncle Al, triangles are inherently stable structures, making them symbols of strength and solidity, or security and reliability like your trusty tripod.
Squares, while commonly thought of as drags at parties, can also be used in your images to evoke feelings of conformity, uniformity, rigidity, and containment. They are simple, balanced, and commonly found in man-made objects.
To illustrate this concept, we grabbed our bendiest models
And rented the shapiest studio.
And gave it a go. So you tell us, do these evoke any emotions for you?
Maybe don't touch Christina's face, but like hands in front of the eyes. Yeah, like that. Oh, I love it. I like the arms up. Okay, maybe you want to get in the circle?
Yeah, let's do that. I'm gonna get the cube out of here, and then we can have some more fun with this circle thing.
I like the idea of like having limbs that hang over the edge.
I don't want to poke your eye out. Christina, that's cool. Just cheat towards me, yeah, like that. That's good. Hey guys, can you hold that? Is that okay to hold? 1, 2, 3. I almost want to do this more natural light too, because then we get the depth of the light in the back there. That's beautiful. Love that. Okay, here we go. I love that arms. The arms are great. Beautiful.
Okay.
Here, I'll let you do some. I'm gonna take a $5.
So the fact that there's two arches makes me want to put them both in their own arch. I feel like levels in the arch, like one down, one up. Oh, awesome. Okay. Oh, I like the hand coming through the other side. That's great.
Yeah, Matthew, that's really cool.
I love it.
What's going on behind the curtain there? Is there anything? Okay, right there. Interesting. I like them on either side. There's some cool symmetry things with these outfits. Okay, that's good. If you can hold that, you all right there?
Ab workout.
Great, great, great. Yeah. And what about more, try to keep your body more rigid. Yeah, there, and then, yeah, that's cool. I like that. All right, Christina, you want to hop in there?
Somebody reflected in the mirror and then somebody behind it.
I want to make sure I'm not going to break it. I don't think I'm going to break it. Famous last words.
Famous last.
Maybe this angle is best.
So I should angle it towards you like that?
Yeah. Oh, but then
How
we
are you
get
gonna
all
catch?
the reflection.
Yes.
Right here is good. Okay.
Okay, I see it now.
I love that. Yeah.
Yeah,
That's so cool. Hey, Matthew, could you put your other foot, your opposite foot in front of the mirror? Oh, wow, that's awesome. Oh, I'm in that.
Yeah, do you want to sit in the circle?
That's what I was thinking, like half in, half out.
I don't know if you got a chance to sit in it last time. I can't remember. It all happened so fast. Christina, maybe just one more angle and an arm was good. So, and then, yeah, that's really good.
Great.
Okay.
Your left leg on the next step up, is that awkward? Yes, oh, of course, yes. Yeah.
We've been Squarespace customers since 2013, way before this YouTube channel started. We currently pay for 4 Squarespace websites, and striptriviapod.com is one of them.
If you're not raking in money hand over fist with your podcast, you might want to check out Squarespace's new member areas, where you can sell access to gated content like video classes, digital downloads, or newsletters.
You can also showcase your photography with Squarespace's professional portfolio designs. Customize the layout, the look, and the feel to make it your own. Also, you can schedule and book appointments straight from your website. You need to log in that client meeting? Well, they can easily see your availability and reschedule if needed, making your life a heck of a lot easier.
Here's what our new podcast website looks like, and if you're in the market for a new website or domain, we'll save you 10% when you go to squarespace.com/mangostreet, or just click the link down in the description, or use the code MangoStreet at checkout. The options are virtually endless.
Sounds like there's just 3 options.
Okay, there's 3 options.